Hey, let me show you how you can fix that issue when one of your CMF Buds 2A it's not working properly. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to input both earbuds inside the charging case, close that case, and now you should actually charge it for around 30 minutes. So plug it in and take a look on this small indicator, just leave it like this for 30 minutes. Next, when you did it, just unplug this cable and you will have to open that charging case and take a look on this small button that is located next to the USB-C port. As you can see, it's just right here. And now you will have to click and hold it and just wait until this indicator on the front starts blinking white, and then it's gonna start blinking red. So just be patient, and as you can see, there we are. And now the reset is complete. So we can release this button. Now it's gonna put them into the pairing mode one more time, but you will have to close that case like so, then open it, and right now on your device you will have to simply unpair them, just forget, and simply go for the pairing one more time. So as you can see, we can just connect them again, accept all of those pairing requests, and now as you can see we are connected back, and now you can tell me if it really works.